Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your smartphone by using this JBL Charge Essential second generation speaker. So first of all, it will be also good to fully charge your speaker or charge it above 60%, and then just rotate the speaker and open this cover. We have to find the cable with the USB-A end. So for example, you can use the cable from your smartphone. In this case, I'm using this cable. Take a look. That's a cheap USB-C cable. Actually, it's from the Huawei, but it's working with my phone, so I have to plug the USB-C right here into the USB-C port. That's, by the way, the Realme 11 Pro, if you wonder. And this second end we have to plug right here. So take it off, put it here. There we go. And as you can see right now, my phone vibrates, and we can find this little charging icon in the right upper corner. So right now my phone is charging thanks to this JBL Charge Essential second generation speaker. So basically you can treat that speaker like a power bank. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.